Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Greg Spees, but everyone calls me Bear. Let me ask you this. Who wouldn't want to work from home? Picture this, full-time pay for part-time hours. Just think about it. 2-3 hours a day on your own schedule without the stress of early mornings or those grueling commutes. No more gas prices eating into your paycheck or worrying about car maintenance. When I turned 68, I found myself in a tough spot. I still needed to work, but the options seemed limited. That's when a friend of mine introduced me to digital marketing. I'll be honest, I didn't know much about it at first, but I took a leap of faith and invested in a digital marketing course that laid everything out for me step by step, just like a classroom setting. Here's the kicker. After I learned the skills, I could resell that same course and earn not only my money back, but much more. It's not just a one-time deal. The course teaches you how to sell it repeatedly, pocketing 100% of the commissions each time. It's very low risk with very high rewards. Now, I won't pretend it's all sunshine and rainbows. Success doesn't happen overnight. You've got to learn, apply, and stay committed. At first, you might see only a few sales trickle in, but trust me, as you persist and stay consistent, those sales will grow, and you'll be helping others reach their goals too. Imagine a life free from financial stress, doing what you love when you want. No experience? No problem. Just be willing to learn, follow the plan, and stay consistent. Success isn't a question of if, but when. If this resonates with you, drop more info in the comments. I'll send you a quick 15-minute video that changed my life, and could change yours too. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to possibly working with you.